$3, that's a bag of chips from the vending machine. A gas station energy drink. Half a fast food combo. It's the kind of money you spend without even thinking about it. But I ran the actual math on what $3 a day becomes if you invest it instead of spend it, and the number broke my brain. This is the video that's going to change how you look at every small purchase forever. Let's start simple. $3 a day is $90 a month, or $1,095 a year. If you just stuffed that cash under your mattress for 10 years, you'd have $10,950. Okay, not bad. But that's not what we're doing. We're investing it in an S&P 500 index fund that has averaged roughly 10% annual returns since 1957. And when compound interest enters the chat, everything changes. After 10 years of investing $3 a day at 10% average returns, you don't have $10,950. You have $18,700. Almost double what you put in, and $7,750 of that is pure profit from compound growth. You didn't work for that money. You didn't hustle for it. Your money made money, and then that money made more money. Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. After running these numbers, I believe him. Now let's push it to 20 years. You've invested a total of $21,900 out of pocket. Your account balance? $69,300. That means $47,400 came from compound growth alone. You contributed less than a third of what's in there. The money is doing more work than you are at this point. And here's what's wild, most of that growth happened in the last 5 years. That's how compounding works. It starts slow, then it goes vertical. 30 years, this is where it gets ridiculous. Total invested out of pocket, $32,850. Account balance, $206,000. Let that sink in. You put in $33,000 and you're sitting on over $200,000. That's 6 times your money, from $3 a day, from the cost of a bag of chips. Every single day, you had a choice between a snack that's gone in 5 minutes and $206,000 in 30 years. The math doesn't lie. But wait, what if you bump it up? What if instead of $3 you find $5 a day? That's skipping one takeout meal. At $5 a day for 30 years at 10%, you end up with $344,000. At $10 a day, $688,000. At $15 a day, over $1 million. You don't need a massive salary or a lucky stock pick. You need a small, consistent amount and the patience to let time do the heavy lifting. Here's the painful flip side. Every $3 you spend on something forgettable isn't just $3 lost. It's $18 lost in 30 years. That $150 pair of shoes you wore twice. That's $900 in future value. That $200 a month subscription bundle. That's $452,000 over 30 years. Economists call this opportunity cost. The true price of anything is what you give up to get it. And what you're giving up is a fortune you can't see yet. Now, I'm not saying never buy anything fun. That's miserable and unsustainable. I'm saying be aware of the invisible trade. Every purchase has 2 prices, the sticker price and the future value. Once you see this, you can't unsee it. You start asking yourself, is this worth more to me now than 6 times its value later? Sometimes the answer is yes. A great meal with family, worth it. A random impulse buy at a gas station, probably not. The biggest enemy of this strategy is delay. Every year you wait costs you enormously. If you start at 25, $3 a day gives you $206,000 by 55. If you start at 35, you only get $69,300 by 55. Same daily amount, same returns, but 10 fewer years cuts your total by 66%. Time is the most powerful ingredient in this equation, and it's the one thing you can never get back. The best day to start was yesterday. The second best day is today. Here's your challenge. Today, right now, open an investing app, Fidelity, Vanguard, whatever you prefer. Set up an automatic daily investment of $3 into an S&P 500 index fund. Don't think about it. Don't negotiate with yourself. $3 every day. Automated. Then forget about it for 10 years. When you check back, you'll thank this version of yourself. Subscribe for more money math that actually changes behavior, not just your feed.